When you deploy an EC2 instance, a virtual machine, in the AWS cloud, it must be based on an Amazon machine image or an AMI. Now, this is true regardless of how you're deploying that instance, whether it's through a CloudFormation template, command line tools, the GUI. So you could think of the AMI then as being a blueprint or a template that is used to launch an EC2 instance. Now, you can also say that there is a one-to-many relationship where you could have a single AMI, but you might have a multitude of instances created from that same AMI. The other thing to think about is that there are a number of detailed settings when you work with an Amazon machine image or an AMI. As one example, the operating system, whether it's Mac OS based, Linux based, Windows based, this is part of what the AMI includes. Any application software that might be installed in addition to the operating system. Any tools and utilities. The root volume. Of course, the root volume can be EC2 instance store back. Now, what this really means is that it's not persistent. It means that any changes made to the files on that type of root volume do not persist between restarts of the virtual machine. Now, that's as opposed to the more commonly used EBS volume back, where any changes made to the root volume file system are retained between reboots. They are persisted. And then there are launch permissions that can be used to control which AWS accounts have access to launch instances using this AMI. Now, the great thing is that you're not limited to using only Amazon-supplied AMIs. In the EC2 Management Console GUI, under the Images section on the left, you can actually click on AMIs to get a list of Amazon machine images, and you can filter it for things like platform, when it was created. You can also use the CLI as well as PowerShell commandlets to list out any available Amazon machine images. And you're going to need to know the exact name of an AMI in some cases, such as when you're configuring a CloudFormation template that will be deploying EC2 instances. You could build your own custom AMIs. Of course, what you would do then is you would have the operating system configured in such a way that you want to then use it to deploy other instances. You might have the apps installed and configured. And also, you could then determine where you want that custom AMI to be used, its visibility. So you can keep the custom AMI private so that